Minty, minty, minty fresh, minty. Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Morning, Renouy and I family. Renouy here, going to get a haircut. Best man Claude is with me. Yanique is actually here as well. She's in the back, she laid down, she's not feeling so well. I'm a guy son so while ago. Chacha, you know them big man guys. Yeah. But hi. Thanks for clicking on our video. Let's see what we can get done today. We have a big trip tomorrow. And I gotta eat some of our food. So I just gotta get some things handled. I get some things handled today and try to do with the next video as well. So come with us. Promise to be a heck of a day.
Yeah, morning. Yeah, man, outside. Yeah.
I'm supposed to stay already still. Sick baby. Sick baby. Cannot get cold.
You can't make his face so you look like Blade.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Great for us, good.
Minty, minty, minty fresh, minty.
Mr. Marley.
Working on it.
Oh.
Yeah, busy car working day.
You got a busy day too. You got a lot of
You're not moving the house, aren't you?
yeah. It's about trip that we have tomorrow and some other stuff to take care of.
I didn't name again. Wait.
Stallion.
Stallion.
Yes. Bull punch.
How is it though?
It's good. It's good. It's good. Easy good.
Easy good. Easy good. Whew. Hey, where I from? So got my haircut. Claude got his haircut, as you saw. Went home. Got something to eat. But time. And yes, this why Yanique don't like me here. Hear me say. But time. Ready for eat. Somebody reach out. I'm supposed to
Get something.
yeah, I'm supposed to deal with something today. Yanique's supposed to deal with something as well, something else. Just so much. So we're back on the road again, heading back the direction, kinda ish, where I went to get my haircut. So
Hello.
just one of those days. So yeah, I can deal with that, then I can deal with something else, and then I can deal with something else.
It's a busy ass day.
Very busy day. And got another phone call as well, so I have somewhat of a meeting. This same direction. It just
It's all a little too much. And the funny thing is, what is a day off?
what is a day off indeed. What is a day off indeed. But we have stuff to do. So we
gotta do
just gotta do it.
Yep.
By the way, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I own alone on a day off. See him if done quicker than your work day. Like a day at work and a day not done. But as I get a day off, he gone. Ooh, look at plane! And it's gone. Be right back.
We're back at our favorite place.
It's not our favorite place.
It's not yours.
Okay, it's yours. I said your favorite place.
Our.
No.
What's
it's not
mine
our.
is yours. What's yours?
No. No. I know.
What's
We
mine-
favorite place are
What's
yours.
mine is ours. What's yours is mine.
Me need a redo on the set there. But it done.
But
You
never
not done.
ready.
You really not done, but
It basically.
I watch you now. Watch your cloud them.
We never ready.
Watch your cloud them.
Them can't see it.
I know them. Are you me
So
attack?
if you watch your clothes, them, but other can't see it.
Like the cloud did gone for me can do something I want to do. I know. Them I'm back. Them I'm come back. Anyways, second transaction. Second? Technically this would be the third.
Wait a minute. No, we did 1,
Oh yeah.
2, 3, 4. This is the 5th. We're gonna be meeting some fellow YouTubers.
Oh yeah, for real.
We're gonna be meeting some YouTubers. Nothing major, but
Yeah.
might be able to get them to pop in and just say hi.
You guys can definitely go ahead and check out their channel.
Yes, folks. Yes. Yes.
Anyways, so come back.
We're paranoid.
So come back.
All right. So you're probably hearing wind. I am not sure, but we're completing our errand, or we're just about to complete our errand. We are just here, just chilling, and they just got here. So we're going to introduce you guys to them. And remember, each one help one. So much as we're all for supporting each other, and so we're just going to show you guys or introduce you guys to them, and just run go over them channel, subscribe, support the team. All right, see you guys in a few. Okay, that's it.
Yanique, can I have a look here?
Hey, shit. Just wave. That's Kaycia, guys. Alright, take care. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video.
Wow.
So, my hand is not stable enough, but I'm gonna try to do this. So that was Kaycia. They were not prepped to be on camera. Ricardo ran with the baby. But we will put their name here, somewhere here.
Their channel in the description.
The name of their channel, and we'll drop it in our description. Remember guys, each one support the other, so we are supporting as many persons as we can. Please run over there, subscribe, follow them, comment, like, share, the whole works.
Supporting another tomorrow as well.
Yes, so you guys, I'm excited for that one. Listen, we have the weekend planned out, which is what I was saying today. It's just one of the busiest days that we've had from the year has started.
Yep.
I guarantee you it has been one of the busiest days since the year has started, and so we are just looking forward to tomorrow. We're hoping for awesome weather. We're looking to leave out early. So for we say leave out early, maybe no can guess and maybe not. I won't give you any more hints though. But yeah, come with us. I'm not sure when you guys will be seeing this video, and my hand is going down already. I'm not sure when you guys will be seeing this video, but whenever you do, trust me, no disappointment on the upcoming trip. Yeah, and Ren is just over there and allowing me to talk because he does most of the talking. I'm fine with it right now though. So yeah, that is it. For those of you who are still tuned in, thank you so much for supporting our channel once more. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Go up on your mother phone, your grandmother phone, your father phone, your grandfather phone, cousin, auntie, sister, brother, uncle. Who me left out of your family?
Yes.
Everybody, borrow them phone and say, hey, run go have fun with Yan and Ren. And something to let you guys know, we will be coming up with a giveaway soon. For those who have commented on our last videos as well, thank you so much for the love. So once again, I am Yanique and
I'm Renouy, and the video not necessarily done, so I don't know why she had to do this.
alright, fine, the video done. See y'all in a few.
But if it is later.
Later.
Ready to tell them over there?
That one place.
There's one place that we can't do.
We can't say it. We can't tell you guys.
We want to do
yet.
an amazing reveal.
We have to do. We have to. It is mandatory.
But we just haven't been able to yet because of
Mother Nature. So we need a little more light coming in from out there. And as you can see, there's no sun, which I don't know if you can see. I'm hoping you can. There is no sun that is out, and so it's gonna affect our big reveal. We need the natural light and all of that. Yeah, fun times. But trust me, when we put you onto this, for those who are within the vicinity and surrounding areas, you will actually love this stop or this location. It's very nice. Everything just comes through so lovely. To put it in a sophisticated way, aesthetically pleasing. And of course, Renouy is behind the camera. Hi! Alright, so we'll see you later.
Actually, still have more stuff to do.
We still have things to do, guys. But guess what? We'll see you later. And you can hear what, if you're smart, you probably listen and try and figure out what's happening in the background. But we can't tell y'all yet. But we still have things to do, so we'll catch you guys later.
Yeah, so we knew it was time in 2018 we knew it was during the beginning of the middle of the year we knew it was time to be one.
You went inside the house?
Yeah, and I did it too. Like, oh my god, I had this picture.
No, it's a yeah, it's a donut.
What are you?
Now you?
Watch the man, video the long.
Don't
Don't watch me, watch the man.
Why?
Alright. What?
Woo.
Yeah, I'm sorry. No, but it really was a blow down because we're technically finished now.
And it's 5:25 p.m.
Oh shoot, this over or something. I'm sorry, I cannot leave my yard for your night. Yeah, we're basically finished. One thing got cancelled, no fault of mine, but it got cancelled, and I think I'm grateful. So right now, I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna upload the video about me moving out. Oh, they would have already see it when this upload. So yeah, I go upload the video if you come out tomorrow. And as we say, we have a little trip tomorrow on the road. Like we think I kind of get repetitive when it comes to going out, but yeah, we are go where I go. And I just this how we are go. I go eat some food, enjoy ourselves.
They ain't repetitive. We're going different places.
It's not. I'm just messing around, but and I mean, even so, a whole heap of things did it for me. A whole heap of things did it for me. But yeah, guys.
Yeah, so we are tired. That's day one of day offs. And you know, typical Jamaicans would get 2 day offs. Yeah. So that's day one. Completely through the window because it's the end of the day and it's time for us to have some us time for us to kind of just relax a bit. We're really tired. We have to unwind and we have to prepare. The next thing is I don't know how much rest to go and get because we have to prepare for our trip tomorrow. Bright and early and all that. But thank you guys once again for coming along with us. We sure do hope you're enjoying the content thus far, and yeah, we appreciate it. So this is it.
Guys, remember to like, share, subscribe. Continue supporting.
Yeah.
We'll continue to do our thing, and I hope that we're getting better at this. Yeah. So everybody just have
all that I want.
Yeah, the partner now coming in still. Alright, have a
Yeah.
bye.
Have a bike.
Have a wonderful rest of the day. Blessed weekend if this is the weekend for you.
And happy new month.
Oh yeah, that's a thing apparently. Happy New Month! Bye bye.
Bye guys.